Alright, Camry got a bearing problem, so the way I hear is noise from this side. So don't know exactly where coming from, but I'm going to do an inspect and try to see if I can find out where the problem coming from. Okay? No noise. It doesn't have any play, but when I drive, make a lot of hump noise. And when I yank it my steering, and I can hear like coming from this side, but not 100% sure because there's no play. When it doesn't have no play, that's very tough to make the decision where it's coming from. Let me check the other side too. So it doesn't have that noise either. So I will take the axles out and spin by hand to see I can hear that. I'm gonna pry like that so I can get the brake freed from the rotor. So when I put it back, and it's easier to slide in. I'm going to take the wheel sensor in the back here. So I need to split this out. This is socket 30 and 12 point. As soon as the axle's out, you can hear the bearing is making noise. Without the axles on it, that's how you're checking it. And if you can't identify which side, so you have to take this method to do it, to be able to find out the where the noise coming from. Right over here. You can use the ball joint press, or you can use hammer. And that's it. What you have to do, just remove the 3 bolt holding this right here. Now just take this out. There. That 3 bolts right there. Holding it right there. And you don't have to take this out because it's harder, okay? To take this out, using this right here, hammer out. Okay, what I have to do, break loose first before you put it inside like this and hit it. Almost come out already. See that? There. See? I'm going to put this on the vise and cut it. If you want to use this hub again, which is you have to remove this right here. So you can't really do a press anything like that. So for me, I don't have the extra to press right here, so I using my grinder to grind it out. When you cut it, make it thin so you can hit with the hammer to get split. See, now it's split. You can just slide this out. Okay? It's hot, so don't touch it. Okay, what you have to do, pry these rings out. You don't have to have a special tool. I use plier to snap the rings out. See that? Okay. You can have a snap ring too, but in this case you don't have to. To save you some money, find whatever tool you have in your toolbox to do it. Spray some lube in there to get all the corroded out, to break free. So I'm making level, so when I press, the bearing will come out easier. If it doesn't level, then when you press, it will tilt, so it's kind of hard to come out. See that? That's a new one. Match pretty good. Same size, same length. Alright, after you clean it, put it back in here, and push back in there. On this bearing, it doesn't matter which side you put, it's the same. Some of the bearing, one side is go towards the spindle, but on this one, it's the same. Okay, and that's it. As long as it sit on that side flat, and you can fit the locking pin in, then you are all set. That's it. Simple, easy. Put this inside here, so when you press in, you will press the center only. And put this on top. This in. Okay. Check to see. Perfect. This ring back in there. Okay, for some of you that first time doing your, make sure your hub is sit right here in the edge right here. If you put too much, you don't have, when you spin right here, it's too tight, you know. It is tight, but it's not very tight that you almost can't spin it. And anytime you put your bearings in, and you slide your hub in, so let's say that if you have a play already and you can hear a clunking noise, or you spin right now and it's freely, and you can hear a like a humming noise already, don't even bother to put it back, because that is already you have this right here, the center bearing right here where I cut it off. Two pieces of this, one on the other side, one on this side, and they met each other, and the bearings sit inside here. Sometimes you push this out and they not, you know, sit together, and that's why when you spin it's freely and you can hear like a humming noise already. So that time, that means you did it wrong. So you need to take it back, get another one, or if they don't, then you have to buy another one, because when you detach that, you pretty much destroy the bearing already. Alright, very much the hardest part is to put your bearing inside your spindle, but everything's already, you know, done, and you can reverse what you're taking out. This is just enjoy watching me put it back in there. Simple, easy. You don't have to watch this video from this point on, because the hardest part is done already.
Sa cho còn một nọ ngày giang ai chi nó mong đầu chỉ qua gió tua không chuyện gì ấy cứ nó luôn dân gì vì làm chi cũ chỉ sắp phải được gì oh my